Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is, the 16th of November, 2018. Weather today, we're looking at a high temperature of 36 degrees, so some of that snow will melt out there. Low temperature tonight at 33. Throughout the course of the day, there is a 30% chance of rain, snow, mix, all that fun stuff. We've been talking about the cafeteria this week. Remember to be safe in there, walking at all times, hands and feet to yourself. In order to be responsible, eat your own food, clean up your table, voice level of a 1. In order to leave your table, make sure that you raise your hand to leave the table. Use kind words and actions, and of course, always place trash in the trash cans. A couple announcements. Reminder that it's conference week. We don't have any conferences today, but we still dismiss at 11:58. Staff enjoy a well-deserved afternoon off. Our lunches will be done the same way as they have been all week, so we're excited about that. More crunchy baby carrots and a bagged lunch Monday. We do not have bagged lunch on Monday. I will get back with you on that. Special announcement, still continuing with the war on grumbling. I had 2 in there today. One was from Zaylee, and she's thankful for her mom and dad. And then Regina is also thankful for her mom and dad as well as her school. So thank you both for filling that out. That'll be that box will be stay out through the end of next week, which next week we only have a 2-day week for Monday and Tuesday. Speaking of that, through next Wednesday, we are collecting costumes. So if you have any gently used or new costumes that you'd like to donate, those can be donated here at the school or at the Raven Cafe. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, students. You may be seated at this time. There are all of our announcements today. Please make sure, as always, you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!